Hello and welcome to EV Equity Edge. In this video, we're steering into Rivian's corner of the EV industry. With its focus on utility and adventure, Rivian is carving its own path in the electric future. Stay tuned as we look back at Rivian's daily trades, discuss the recent news, and forecast potential price movements. Ready to hit the road with Rivian? Starting with the opening price, Rivian kicked off the day at $25.35, slightly lower compared to the previous close of $25.52. The stock experienced some fluctuations throughout the day, reaching a daily high of $25.79 and a daily low of $24.54. These price movements indicate some intraday volatility, but let's dig deeper into the details. The closing price for Rivian on Friday was $24.82, representing a decline of 2.74% from the previous close. This negative change suggests that the stock faced some selling pressure during the trading session. Investors might be interested to know that the daily range, which measures the difference between the daily high and low, stood at 4.89%. While this range indicates moderate price swings, it's important to keep an eye on any significant deviations. Volume is another crucial factor to consider when analyzing price action. On Friday, Rivian recorded an average volume of 40.64 million shares, with a daily volume of 55.64 million shares. Although the daily volume was lower than the average, it's worth noting that volume provides insights into the level of market participation and can indicate the strength of buying or selling pressure. Now let's analyze some of the key support and resistance levels for Rivian based on Friday's metrics. The points of resistance going higher were identified at $25.62, $26.40, and $27.05. These levels act as potential barriers where the stock may face selling pressure or encounter resistance to upward movement. On the other hand, the points of support going lower were observed at $24.19, $23.54, and $22.76. These levels might provide a cushion for the stock during downward movements. As we analyze the price action and consider the support and resistance levels, it's important to remember that these metrics provide valuable insights but should not be viewed as definitive predictions. Market dynamics can be influenced by various factors, including news, investor sentiment, and broader market trends. In summary, Rivian experienced a decline in price on Friday, with the stock closing at $24.82. The daily range was 4.89%, indicating some volatility, and the volume remained moderate. Additionally, we identified key points of resistance and support that may influence the stock's future movements. Rivian Automotive has unveiled its R1 platform with 3 different drive system configurations, allowing users to choose the option that best suits their needs and preferences. This move highlights Rivian's commitment to providing a versatile lineup of electric vehicles. Rivian's flagship quad-motor drive system on the R1 platform offers impressive performance both on-road and off, boasting 835 horsepower and 908 lb-ft of torque. With this system, Rivian vehicles can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3 seconds. The R1T variant equipped with the quad-motor drive system is estimated to have a range of 328 miles, while the R1S variant is projected to have a range of 321 miles. However, Rivian acknowledges that not all users may require the quad-motor system. For those seeking additional range and power without the quad-motor capability, they can opt for the performance dual-motor drive system. This configuration offers an estimated range of 307 to 400 miles and can achieve 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.5 seconds. With the performance dual-motor system, users can still tow up to 11,000 pounds with the R1T and 7,700 pounds with the R1S. Additionally, Rivian provides the option to further extend the range with its Max Pack battery. For users who prioritize efficiency over top-end performance, Rivian offers the dual-motor drive system. This configuration provides an estimated range of 270 to 400 miles, while still delivering 533 horsepower and 610 lb-ft of torque. It's a compelling choice for those seeking a balance between range and capability. So, why does this news matter? Well, it demonstrates Rivian's commitment to catering to the diverse needs of its customers. By offering multiple drive system configurations, Rivian is expanding its potential market and providing choices that align with varying preferences and priorities. This could be a strategic move to attract a broader range of consumers and enhance the appeal of their electric vehicles. It's worth noting that Rivian's recent production numbers for the second quarter were promising, with 13,992 vehicles produced and 12,640 vehicles delivered, aligning with the company's expectations. Rivian is also on track to meet its annual production guidance of 50,000 vehicles. These positive production figures indicate that Rivian is scaling up its operations effectively. As Rivian continues to make significant strides in both product development and production, the introduction of new drive system configurations adds another layer of versatility and customization to their electric vehicle lineup. This could potentially enhance Rivian's competitive edge in the EV market and attract a broader customer base. Now let's dive into the exciting part: forecasting the possible price movements for Rivian based on the support and resistance levels we have identified. Looking at the resistance levels, we have $25.56, $26.30, and $26.81. These levels represent price points where the stock has historically faced selling pressure and struggled to move higher. If Rivian's stock price approaches these resistance levels, we might expect increased selling activity as traders take profit or initiate short positions. It would be crucial to monitor the price action closely to assess whether Rivian can break through these resistance levels. On the other hand, we have the support levels at $24.31, $23.80, and $23.06. These levels have acted as a floor for the stock in the past, providing a bounce-back point during periods of selling pressure. If Rivian's stock price nears these support levels, we could anticipate buying interest from traders looking to enter or add to their positions. The ability of Rivian to hold above these support levels would be a positive sign for bullish momentum. It's important to note that support and resistance levels are not fixed guarantees, but rather areas where we can expect increased buying or selling pressure based on historical price patterns. Market dynamics and investor sentiment can influence how the stock price reacts to these levels. Considering the recent price action and the support and resistance levels, it appears that Rivian is currently in a consolidation phase. The stock has been trading within a range, with fluctuations between the support and resistance levels. Traders and investors will be closely monitoring how Rivian's stock price behaves around these key levels. As always, it's essential to exercise caution and conduct further analysis using additional indicators and technical tools to confirm potential price movements. Keep an eye on the trading volume as well, as higher than average volume during breakouts or breakdowns could indicate the strength of the price movement. That's all for Rivian today. If you enjoyed our drive through Rivian's market landscape, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more EV news. Join the discussion in the comments and share your thoughts. Also, be sure to check out our other videos on Tesla, NIO, Lucid, and Mullen. See you on the next journey, and keep electrifying your investments.